Ever struggle to keep your veggie patch watered during hot Aussie afternoons or when you're away for a few days? A simple drip watering system made from recycled plastic bottles can fix this problem and save you money on water. Consistent watering helps plants grow strong, prevents issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes, and reduces water waste by delivering moisture directly to the roots. Here's how to make one yourself. Start with a clean 2-liter plastic bottle. Using a sharp knife or nail, carefully poke 3 to 4 small holes in the bottle cap, small enough to drip slowly. Fill the bottle with water, screw the cap back on tightly, and dig a hole next to your plant deep enough to bury about 2/3 of the bottle. Place the bottle upside down, cap facing down, then pack the soil firmly around it to hold it steady. The water will slowly drip out, keeping the soil moist over time. Avoid making the holes too large or the water will drain too fast and defeat the purpose. It's a good idea to test this on one plant first to check the drip rate and adjust hole size if needed. Refill the bottle as required. This system works well for tomatoes, capsicums, chilies, and even potted plants. It's a great way to recycle plastic, save water, and give your garden a steady, reliable drink. Try it out and see how much easier watering your garden can be.